Merci, mon petit. Merci, Makina. Merci, Josiane.
I love you.
I love you too. There's Daddy. He's eating my birthday cake that he made, or at least ran and got. The pet. Kenny, you're missing the song. Dear Mommy, happy birthday. It's been an amazing birthday. Thank you, guys. For my 32nd birthday in Paris. Thanks. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Daddy.